Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how this Fortnite map right here makes me $10,000 every single month. So you guys can literally just replicate and copy me at the palm of your fingertips and achieve the same success. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is how do you actually make money with Fortnite maps? What is the algorithm and discovery at place? Is it like YouTube? Is it like Snapchat? How does it actually work? So this video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. And of course, guys, I'm giving away one free pre-made map that you guys can literally just claim and get for the next 24 hours if you join my Discord in the link in the description for the next 24 hours. You have to join the Discord as soon as you're seeing this video. Without further ado, let me teach you guys the algorithm and discovery so you guys can make more money online with your Fortnite maps and get started as a beginner. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so we're inside of Fortnite right now. What am I looking at on my screen? Well, guys, this is the Fortnite algorithm and discovery system. All of these games that we're seeing inside of our screen are handfully and carefully moderated to perfection to market the games and promote them by themselves. And what do I mean by that? I mean that if I post a game like Skylanders Box Fights, for example, it's only going to attract people that may be interested inside of that game. That is why we have subcategories here called recommended by your friends, top rated, recommended, home bar, community momentum, most engaging. It's recommending the most engaging games that lots of people would play, just like a normal YouTube video would on this channel. So how can I maximize my potential and results getting inside of this discovery? How can I maximize my chance getting inside of the algorithm? Well, let me show you. So if you guys look inside of these games here, for example, Aura Box Fights, obviously this thumbnail is terrible and he just has a one-hit wonder game, one-trick pony inside of his world. But if you guys look at the tags here, box fight, casual, classes, and battle. What are the people doing inside of the game? They're battling, there's classes, abilities, and it's a box fight, and there's 16 players. And it's also casual, it's fun. I see a lot of your guys' games, I'll show you guys in 1 second. You guys are not labeling your games as it should be. For example, look at this game here. I can't even pronounce those words here, but brother, look at the labeling of your games. Zone Wars, are you kidding me, bro? This is not a Zone Wars, my friend. Yes, you averaged 5,000 players, and you made way over $50,000, but my friend, you would have such a better chance catering your games to the actual proper audience who would actually play them if you actually labeled your games correctly. You could have easily shot up to 7,000 to 9,000 to even 12,000 more players. This is seriously just one piece of the puzzle of the bigger picture, because right now coming up, I'm going to be showing you literally everything you need to know. Marketing, getting your name out there, because this game right here, this is a good friend of mine. He's already made $100,000 off of his game. How did he do that? Well, let me show you guys the entire discovery system right now. So obviously earlier in the video, we discussed what the algorithm is, how it curates players to want to play a game inside of Fortnite. How are games being recommended? We already covered that. But what are the ways and secrets that people are using right now to manipulate the algorithm, have a higher advantage than the average person, which is in doing so making them more money with their games? Because I'm not gonna lie, this game called SWAT Tycoon just hit the home bar right now and it instantly shot up to 3,000 players. How did he do that? Let me show you. So if we go ahead inside of the Fortnite creator portal right now, I'm going to be showing you guys the insights and analytics you guys need in order to actually capitalize inside of the Fortnite discovery. So if we go look at this page here, obviously not the craziest stats, but if you guys look at the total plays that are happening here, September 2nd, 5,000 plays, 5,000 total plays, that's pretty average. My highest peak is like 10,000 players at once, whatever. Okay, so this game shot up to actually 1,000 players, believe it or not. If you guys look here, Davey, we have the Skylanders Box Fight, hit trending 1,000 players, 5,000 players, whatever. How did this happen? I didn't just update the game, even though right here it says, hey, I just updated the game. No, I did a lot more than that. And I want you guys to replicate at home exactly what I did so you guys can do the exact same things that people are doing to actually hitting home bar and making more money with their games. So this is what people are doing. And this goes heavily into the marketing side of making Fortnite maps. We are inside of TikTok right now. Beautiful lady right there. Don't mind me, but we are not going to be distracted. We are on a mission trying to retire parents with Fortnite maps. So let me show you guys something right now. Fortnite maps. Watch this. As you guys can see, these are how people are actually making money with their games. Just like this game here, 4 million views. And this guy was hating on me. And he's making fake XP glitches to actually make money with his game. If we go to the comment section and we type in the code of the game, as you guys can see, the code on the screen is 0662. So he's doing fake glitches to actually get inside of the algorithm. And watch this, guys. I'm going to search up his game right now. 0662. And by the way, this was the guy that was hating on me for no reason. And he's making fake garbage glitches for his trash games. 2370. Watch this, guy. 10,000 players 1 year ago, and he's made $500,000, guys. This dumbass scammer is jealous of me because I'm making maps popular and a mainstream topic, motivating, inspiring other people, and he's scamming children, making $500,000 a year with his games. Guys, is that not insane? And if you guys look here, this is what people are actually doing. I know you guys have to be fake. Sometimes I do too, bro. Do this, do that. Like, obviously my videos are helpful, but it gets repetitive sometimes. And this is why I'm here to talk to you guys and really connect with you guys on a one-to-one level. But nonetheless, if you guys look at the games here too, 8.5 million views, 2.8 million views. A lot of people are literally just lying to viewers. And it really sucks that that's the way that it has to be. But I have another trick up my sleeve that you guys can use to eliminate all this garbage and BS that you guys are seeing inside of your games. Because obviously we know the current change of what Fortnite did. I had a massive video on the topic, but Fortnite actually limited the payouts and the system that they're using to actually track players. Now you have to actually bring in new people inside of the Fortnite ecosystem. So pretty much what that means is that this $500,000 a year is more like 80,000 or like 100,000, which is still insane because he's literally scamming kids, but it is a lot less significant. Why did Fortnite make this this change? Well, obviously I have a video on it on my channel, but to sum it up, Fortnite made this change because they were losing revenue and dollars inside of their business. They were giving $500 million a month split evenly to the top creators. By all means, they do not have to do that at all. And I'm not complaining with the change that they made, but a lot of people are. They're money hungry and greedy. They were never even doing what they were doing with passion, purpose, and intent. The only reason why they were doing this was for money. And obviously money rules the world, right? It's a strong motivator, but you still have to have a reason why and a strong desire to continue doing it. You don't want to be living without purpose and intent behind everything that you're doing and every action that you take in your life. I promise you guys do not want to be doing that. I've done that myself. So what have people been doing? Now with this change, we have a huge uproar of people that are really mad. They're really ticked off. Because we can see the player count. There's only 32,000 creators making games. And there's 216,000 maps total. And there's an average maps of 7 per creator. Which means every creator who starts getting into games that I've motivated and inspired on this channel makes at least 7 games and then doesn't do anything else. So how can I capitalize on this? Because now there's a new algorithm. Now there's a new discovery system. This is how to do it. And that is with my friend imagination and personal brand. If you guys can reminisce every single thing that you guys have done as a child or an adult, anything that you guys have been passionate about in your life, which is what these games are here, people had a passionate idea, an imaginative idea that they wanted to bring to life. And that is why it is successful. This is what I'm really getting at here, is that if you guys want to be successful in life, you have to imagine yourselves in a scenario that outweighs the negative environment inside of your life in the present moment. When you guys are making Fortnite maps, you want to be visioning yourself in a scenario where you've already achieved this success. If I had everything that I wanted in my life right now, I'd probably still be doing this, to be honest. Like, I'd still be doing the videos where I'm talking to the camera, motivating and inspiring other people in some shape or form. Because that is my purpose. I love helping others. So what is it for you guys? What do you guys want to be doing with your guys' lives? All of you guys that are in my Discord are literally having their lives changed every single day. Like, for example, Red vs. Blue, Insane Red vs. Blue by Prowess. This game has made a grand total of $56,000. That is pretty good. So yes, they did just copy people's games. A lot of people are literally just copying people's games, but it's a lot more deeper than that. You know, the reason why people do that in the first place is because they get inspired, you know, and when you're inspired, creativity and light bulbs go off in the brain. You're more productive, you're more proactive, you're more conscious of the fact that, hey, I need to take control of my life here and really vision myself where I need to be. Where do I need to be? These are seriously the questions that you guys need to be asking, because none of this is going to matter at all. You're never going to have a successful Fortnite game that you actually care about if you're just doing things without intent and passion and pride and purpose behind it. That is the sole reason why I made this video. My passion was to motivate and inspire other people at the end of the video and also educate them, help them out, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. Even if sometimes I don't like the videos, it still helps you guys. So for the final tip, this is what I want you guys to do as soon as you're done watching this video. I know a lot of you guys are in my Discord because I do giveaways on side of the channel, free battle passes, V-Bucks, whatever. And that's why you're on this video right now. This is what I want you guys to do. To everyone who's inside of my Discord call right now and is watching this video, I want you guys to seriously do something that you care about. If it's not maps, that is okay. Because money at the end of the day is just a tool to fuel your ambition. The only reason why money is actually an attribute that we want to achieve in our lives is because it takes discipline to actually achieve it. That is why it's so scarce, and that is why we are so clinged and attached to actually create and attract money in our lives. And that is what the same thing happens with our goals that we want to achieve. It feels like it takes a lot of effort, but it's not actually a lot of effort. It's all a mental warping that you guys need. It's all a mental mindset shift. The questions that you guys have at the start of everything that you're doing in your lives are the answers. Asking those questions, documenting yourself, self-documenting yourself, really honing in on the purpose and the intent behind why you're doing it, because that is going to fuel all the answers in your life. Not like this garbage game here called 1v1, which is a fake clickbait bullshit, which is literally made $77,000. Like, this game is garbage, bro. And it's literally a picture of Renegade Raider. Like, nobody is playing that, guys. Nobody's playing that. So seriously, guys, live with purpose. Do not live with regrets. I'll seriously see you guys in the next video. This was the entire system of the Fortnite algorithm and discovery. Catch you guys on the flip side. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. I'm out. Peace.